classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic. So I need to explain here, if degree is equal to 1 then it is linear, if degree equal to 2 then it is quadratic, and if degree is equal to 3 then it is cubic. And what is degree? Degree means, what is degree? Means highest power of variable. Highest power of variable. Yes, you are saying absolutely right. Now look at the first part. In the first part, what is the highest power of variable? Yes, it's 2. The highest power of variable is 2 in this case. So what is this type of polynomial is called as? Quadratic. Right. Look at the second question. Second part, what is the highest power? Yes, its highest power is 3. Highest power is 3. If you look at the highest power is 3 in this case. So it is cubic. Look at the power here. In this case, what is the highest power?
2.
So it's 2. So 2 means, what is the degree in the third case? Degree is 2. Degree is 2 in the third case. And it is called as quadratic. Yes, it is called as quadratic. Look at the fourth part here. In the fourth part, tell me the degree. So degree is 1 in the fourth part. Yes, the power of x is 1 in the fourth part. So degree is 1 and it is called as linear polynomial. Yes, right. Look at the fifth part. What is the degree in the fifth part?
1.
Yes, it's 1 in the fifth part because the power variable t is 1. So it is called as linear. Look at the sixth part. What is the degree in the sixth part?
2.
Yes, degree is 2 because the power of, yes, it's quadratic. Look at the next part.
3.
So, yes, very good. Degree is 3 in that case because the highest power of variable is 3. So, then it is called cubic. I hope it's clear to you all. This question is clear to you all.